Okay, I was inspired to do this video by someone I was sitting next to at a bar. I'm not gonna say where in case she's watching. Maybe I should. It was Tiny Bones once. Anywho, she was sitting down waiting for her blind date. Sound like a Tinder date, I don't know. But she was probably maybe 40, 45 years old. And I think that her makeup style was just something that she learned probably in the 90s. And didn't evolve, okay? So I am here to show you guys how to make your eyes look lifted. So I'm not gonna be applying any makeup in this video. I already have it done the way she did it and then the way I do it on the other side, just so you can kind of compare apples to apples. So on this side, you can see how I contained my eyeshadow from the corner of the eye up to the end of the eyebrow. I didn't go past with my crease color or drag my eyeliner down on the edge, okay? If you look at this side, this is how she had it done. And she had the crease color going all the way around beyond the end of her eyebrow. So if I were to draw an imaginary line from here to the tip of my brow, you can see I'm about a centimeter past that. So this creates the illusion like your eye is sagging down, and who wants that? She also had a smudgy shadow underneath, no eyeliner and mascara on. So you see the difference with eyeliner on the top only, okay, and nothing on the bottom, how this eye looks as if it's a little bit more lifted than the other. Also, I dovetailed it, bringing it up at the end instead of bringing my shadow down, which pulls everything down. So I just wanted to stand back and let you see the difference in my eye and see how important it is to keep the eyeshadow contained. Don't go too far out with your eyeshadow or eyeliner, and don't get so aggressive with that crease color. Give yourself some definition to make your eyes pop and keep it top only to add a lift. There you go. You're welcome.